What's up, art friends? I hope you're all having a great day. So glad that you're joining me today. We are going to draw a cute little teddy bear just sitting down, relaxing, and holding on to 3 balloons. Yeah! Would you like to join me? Okay, grab your paper and favorite color and let's get into it. Alright, are you ready? Yeah? So we're going to start by using a pencil. Let's make a circle. Okay, so now let's add some hair on top of this head, okay? Got it? Okay, now let's add some ears. And the other ear. Okay, I think now we can change into marker. Let's do that. Okay, I'm back with my marker. So now let's bolden up these lines, okay? So let's start by the hair. Now let's continue with the top of the head and the ears. Okay? Yeah, let's do that to the other side. Good job! Now let's finish the head. Looking good! Okay, I think we can now erase the pencil marks. Alright, cool. Now that we've got the head, let's add the eyes. Alright, now let's make the snout of the bear, okay? We're gonna make a circle in between these eyes. Your turn. Got it? Alright, now let's add the nose. It'll be an upside down triangle, okay? And now let's add the mouth. Good job! Our teddy bear is looking great. Let's add some eyebrows and also the inner part of the ears, okay? Working on the hand that is holding the balloon. Okay, so let's make a line over here. Alright, and now let's make 3 fingers of the hand, okay? Got it? Alright. So now, leave it at that. We're going to start with the body first, okay? So let's make a curvy line over here. Okay? Now let's finish off the hand. Got it? Good job! So now we're going to make an oval, which is the middle part of the body. Watch this. Got it? So now let's make the other side of the body. Let's make a curvy line over here. Alright, and now we're going to make the other hand, okay? Watch this. Alright, now let's add 2 lines to that hand, okay? Now before we start on making the legs, let's add one more line, which is the bottom of the body, okay? Over here. Alright, now we can start working on the legs. Now let's add the paws of the foot. Okay, so we're going to make a big oval and then 3 small oval. Alright, watch this. Okay, let's now work on the other leg. Okay, so a short line. And now the foot. Alright, let's add the ovals inside this foot. Now it's time to work on the balloons, okay? So this teddy bear will be holding 3 balloons. Let's make 3 strings, right? So now let's make an oval shape as the balloon next to its ear over here. Alright, and now we are going to make another one behind it. And another one on the other side. So now we're going to add the knot underneath each balloon like this. And let's add the strings now and connect them to the hand, okay? Alright, I think our teddy bear is now ready to be colored. Let's do that. subscribe so that we can draw again together. Keep on drawing, keep on smiling. I hope to see you on the next one, okay? Bye!